Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to scan a passport photo for an online application, specifically tailored for 2025, when digital processes are faster and more efficient than ever. Whether you're applying for a visa, a new job, or even school enrollment, having a high-quality scanned photo can make all the difference. Let's jump right in. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need a clear passport-sized photo. Make sure it's recent and meets the standard requirements, like a plain background and proper lighting. In 2025, most smartphones have built-in scanners, but if you prefer a traditional one, dust off that flatbed scanner on your desk. Step 1. Set up your device. If you're using a phone, download a reliable scanning app like the latest Google Drive or Adobe Scan. Many now come with AI enhancements for better image quality. Place your photo on a flat surface, ensure it's well lit, and open the app. Position your phone steadily over the photo to avoid any blurriness. Next, hit that scan button. Most apps will automatically detect the edges of your photo and crop it for you. Take a moment to preview the scan, adjust the brightness or contrast if needed. Remember, for 2025 applications, files often need to be in high-res JPEG or PDF format, so select those options in your app settings. Once scanned, edit if necessary. Use free tools like Photoshop Express or built-in phone editors to sharpen the image or remove any imperfections. This step is crucial because online systems can reject blurry or low-quality uploads. Finally, save your file with a clear name, like passport_photo_2025.jpg. and upload it directly to your application portal. Double-check the file size. Aim for under 5 megabytes to avoid issues. There you have it. Scanning your passport photo is a breeze with these steps. If you run into any hiccups, like compatibility problems, try updating your apps or using a computer for more control. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay digital and stay awesome.